Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing with you guys for this tabletop fire pit. And I'm going to show you the setup process and just some of the ways my family loves to use this. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to keep watching. As soon as you open it, you can see the fire stopper on top, and everything is well protected with this thick foam. And then here is the body of the fire pit, and this is a nice black aluminum material, so it feels very durable. You have a little instruction manual, and then right here you have your small metal canister that holds your cotton, and below that is a larger metal canister where the small one just sits to stay in place. And then you have your decorative pebbles and then the glass panels. So let's get this set up. The glass panels very simply and easily slide into the grooves that are already cut out on the base here. So you have the two longer sides and then the two short sides. You just want to make sure those are pushed down so they're nice and flush. It's absolutely beautiful. This is definitely a wonderful option for a centerpiece. If you like to host, this is a beautiful way to decorate on like a back porch or even for inside, because this can be used indoors as well. Now we can go ahead and put the little pebbles in. I think that those really elevate the look of it and bring it a really natural feel. So now it's ready for us to add our fuel. They suggest either a bioethanol fuel or a 70 to 95% alcohol. I have an ethanol fuel here that's great for indoor and outdoor use. It produces high heat and a long burn, and it's smokeless and odorless. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. I'm just going to remove this glass panel and pull out this small canister here with the cotton. There is a max fill tab over here, so you do want to make sure that you don't overfill this. And then we could just put that back down inside of the large canister. Place our glass, and you want to make sure that you use something with a long nozzle or something that's going to put a flame pretty far away from the lighter itself. So you could use something like this torch, or I like the long stem lighter. The flame will start off small, but after it's burnt for about 5 minutes, you'll see the flame pick up a little bit more. It's such a great entertainment piece and can be used to roast marshmallows. So we absolutely love this here on our back porch. We love this inside on our coffee table or our dining room table to create a little bit of a centerpiece and even add some ambiance and some nice lighting. So this is really a beautiful tabletop fire pit. This would be a lot of fun to use with family. You can sit around and hang out by the fire and enjoy a little bit of warmth and be able to roast some marshmallows without having a large campfire.